Obviously, you can tell we're up to no good again. Let's find a willing participant. Of course, she has to be somebody who's never operated something like this before. Well, there's women and children, but I think you're the only woman here.
Hey.
Every man would agree. 110%. So how old are you? Or do you want to say? 29. Now, have you ever operated a piece of heavy equipment before? Never. And you want to, right? Cool. Let's destroy the taxi van. Let me show you how to operate the equipment. Okay, sit on the seat. Oh, wait till I turn it around, actually. You look scared. Are you?
I don't know. I don't want to mess it up.
You can't hurt the tractor. All we want you to do is finish the van. Yeah, it always takes a woman to do a man's job around here, you know. Okay, let's start it. You ready? Let's go. Wait till I get off the machine. Push! Yes! Direct hit! Good work! Excellent. Now don't forget, when it's on the van, you want to pull this back and claw it. Yes. Crunchage. Keep going. That's some good munchage. She's learning just about as fast as Jen did. Yes, get in deep. Woo!
Get comfortable up there.
Oh yeah.
I may have to help you shove it out of the way a little bit. It's got a little bit too close. Okay, well, I'll come up there and I'll move it for you. Big audience.
Huge audience.
You can try that if you want. Yeah. Wait, she's still having fun. There's some good crunchage. Yep. Is that what you always wanted to do? Destroy a car?
Yeah.
Too bad it wasn't yesterday when you had your birthday.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Okay, you know this was the first car he ever drove?
Yeah, really?
That was the first one.
So you tried to kill it, she did the job, she finished it. It's raining pretty hard. Are you getting too wet? Or are you having too much fun? Good. Now, because it's raining so much, the young guy wants to try it too before he gets too wet.
Okay.
I know you're having fun, but come back on another day when it's not so wet and we can do the same kind of thing.
You can try it, no problem.
Okay.